In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to the conversations inbox in HubSpot. To do that, we need to head over into our actual inbox. You can do so by clicking onto this search option and searching right here for inbox option. So let's head over and search. You can find your inbox right here. Once you're in there, you can see right here your conversation. You can add right here an email or either a call depending on the channel that you have chosen. Now you can write in here a message, for example, as input, okay, noted. And if you want to add emojis to this particular inbox or this particular message, you can click onto the smiley face icon, which is our emoji option. You can also head over and then click on your keyboard for shift and semicolon or semicomma. Click onto this. After that, you can see right here emoji inbox. You can choose between the emojis that we have right here. For example, let's head over and then choose right here this emoji. And then as you can see, an emoji has been inserted. You can now proceed to send this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.